Ever struggled to hear your music on a noisy flight? Or tried to focus on work in a bustling cafe? Annoying background noise ruins your listening experience. Crying babies, loud engines, endless chatter. Sound familiar? You turn up the volume, but it's never enough. Your ears get tired and you still can't escape the noise. Commuting becomes stressful, not relaxing. Traveling feels exhausting, not enjoyable. You just want peace and your own personal space. Introducing the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones. Get the price on Amazon with the link in the description. Block out up to 98% of unwanted noise instantly. Adaptive noise canceling targets everything, from engines to voices. Enjoy silence whether you're indoors, outdoors, or on the go. The Q45 automatically adjusts to your environment, or take control with 5 customizable noise canceling levels. Use the Soundcore app to fine-tune your experience. No more struggling with background distractions, just pure uninterrupted sound wherever you are. Let's compare. Before, you hear everything around you. After, it's just you and your music, nothing else. Before, constant interruptions, fatigue, and frustration. After, calm, focus, and total immersion in sound. Travelers enjoy up to 50 hours of playtime per charge. That's enough for an around-the-world flight, no recharging. Running low, just 5 minutes of charging gives 4 hours playtime. Commuters never worry about battery dying mid-journey. Audiophiles experience high-res wireless audio with LDAC support. Hear every detail: deep bass, crisp treble, and rich mids. 40mm drivers with double-layer silk and ceramic diaphragms. Every note is clear, powerful, and true to the original. Calls stay crystal clear even in busy environments. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable, seamless connection. No more dropouts or lag, just smooth, wireless freedom. Comfort matters, especially on long journeys. Q45 headphones feature an ergonomic, refined design. Soft, memory foam ear cups for all-day comfort. Lightweight build reduces pressure on your head. Wear them for hours, barely notice they're there. Stylish look matches any setting, from office to airplane. Durable construction stands up to daily use. Before, tired ears, sore head, constant adjusting. After, relaxed, comfortable, and focused on what matters. No more choosing between comfort and performance. With Space Q45, you get both effortlessly. Imagine working in a cafe with total concentration, or relaxing on a flight, lost in your favorite playlist, or commuting without the stress of city noise. Your own personal space, wherever you go. Easy app controls let you adjust settings anytime. Switch between noise-canceling modes with a tap. Fine-tune your sound for every situation. Stay connected to your world or block it out completely. Clear calls mean you're always heard, never missed. Bluetooth 5.3 pairs quickly with any device. Seamless switching between phone, laptop, or tablet. No complicated setup, just instant, reliable connection. Before, tangled wires, unstable connections, constant hassle. After, wireless freedom, effortless pairing, total convenience. Long flights, busy commutes, noisy offices, handled with ease. Space Q45 adapts to your life, not the other way around. Block out the world, or let it in when you need. All-day comfort, all-day power, all-day performance. No more compromises, just better listening everywhere. Ready to upgrade your audio experience? Try the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones today. Enjoy peace, comfort, and stunning sound anywhere. Make every journey your own with Space Q45. Don't settle for less. Choose headphones that do it all. Get the price on Amazon with the link in the description. Order now and discover your new favorite headphones. Soundcore Space Q45. Your space, your sound, your way.